we cannot make a hairstyle with me. So first we need something. We need this for our hairline. Our comb. This is my body. And we need this. And obviously this. So we're gonna use the black one. We're gonna do the hairstyle straight up. So first we're gonna get two black stretchy. First we need to fix our hairline.
Narinig ko po yung sigaw ng taong bayan. Ibalik ang pera namin. Malinaw po. And I was asked by a reporter, an interview, your comment. I said the message is loud and clear, Mr. President. Ayusin natin sa gobyerno at mga trabaho. Iwasan po mahulog sa korupsyon. The people are demanding that these people, contractors, DPW officials, including politicians who make wealth, kumita po sa flood control, na maaaring isolusyon ang kanilang ginagaw sa bayan. And I think that is the right thing to do. Ang problema kasi, Mr. President, kung susundin natin ang batas, alam naman po natin ang pagdinig sa ating bayan ay buwan at taon na inaabot. Baka pagdating mo sa dulo, wala na pong makuha ang gobyerno sa mga tao ito. My only point, Mr. President, is the people were asking, the people are demanding. Isole yung pera na ninakaw sa kanila. Meron po tayong batas. True enough, Mr. President, I don't disagree. There is a process. May proseso, tama din po. Paano naman?
Yes, I'm gonna tie this up. You need to write it. Time to make it a spot.
Binayaran siya ng Vizcaya para interviewin siya. Nabayadan siya.